Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and today we're talking about tip number 4 of 10 things you should know before you buy windows. Well, this one I really like. It's have a budget. Have a budget. You know, most people either overspend on windows or they underspend on windows. So starting with a budget, at least having something in mind and thinking about what it should cost will help you not make a mistake of buying windows that you paid either too much for or too little for. Let me give you an example in everyday life. So, have you ever gone to the grocery store and you were hungry? What happens when you go to the grocery store and you're hungry? You buy stuff that you wouldn't have bought if you just had a big, delicious meal right before you got there. Well, here's the thing with windows sometimes. Salespeople will come in, they get you all excited and look at this window and it's kind of really appetizing. And next thing you know, I want to buy some new windows. And you end up spending way too much money on windows. The opposite is you're looking for the cheapest deal. You keep shopping, and you just keep thinking that the budget dominates everything. Well, it doesn't dominate. It's a guideline, it's framework. I've seen people buy really cheap windows and then they have to buy them again. You know, there's a saying that says, never enough money to do it right the first time, but always enough money to do it twice. Ooh, don't let that be you. So listen, put a budget in place. Check your budget against other window companies. Make sure that you're not taking the highest bid or the lowest bid. Usually the best deal is somewhere in the middle. Oh, and last thing about that, don't forget that skilled labor isn't cheap, and cheap labor isn't skilled. Okay, if you're looking for a great window company near you, go visit jeffslist.com. It's a website I put in where we have a list of wonderful dealers all around the country who can actually probably find a window that will work with your budget. Thank you for watching.